So we all love to play games, but what if I told you that you can make money just by playing games on your mobile phone, on the go, whenever you want, and wherever you are, okay? So this is actually legit. I'm going to show you in this website step by step how you can do this. So stay tuned till the end, okay? Because you're gonna love this video, because you don't need any skills, you don't need any upfront investment to do this. All you have to do is to watch this video, because you can make $9 every 15 minutes just by playing games on your phone, okay? So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So today's video is about a website that is called Playtest Cloud. So actually guys, Playtest Cloud is a website, but you're not going to use the website, you're going to use the application, which is not it's not a game, okay? It's not a game, it's a testing application, okay? It's for testing the games that they will send you, okay? So let me show you how you can do this. So this is the website, guys. You should visit playtestcloud.com. I'm going to put the link in the description box, so don't worry about this. You don't have to spend time searching for this website, because I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description box, okay? So this website, guys, gives you the ability to make money from apps by testing those games. Sorry, not apps, games, okay? So if you love playing games, so this could be a great thing, because you're doing something that you love, and in the meantime you are making money, which is very good, okay? So first of all, what you have to do is to click on become a tester. So the sign up process is important, and it is very easy. So take a look at this. We'll send games to your email address, so make sure you put the real email address and not a fake one, because they will send you the games directly to your email address. The second step is to think out loud while you play, okay? Because they will record the screen and they will record your face, so you need a good microphone. So if you have a good microphone in your mobile phone and a good camera, so you're good to go, okay? And the three, you get paid via PayPal. So the payment it varies, but mostly it could be $9 for every 15-minute test. So the sign up process is very easy. You just put your email address, your full name, okay? So your email address will send pages to this address, so make sure you put the real email address, as I said before, your full name, and which games do you like to play at least weekly. So if you like games like Call of Duty, put them here. What are the types of games that you love? You just put them here. We love mobile games, but you can include PC, console games that you play, okay? So you just put the type of games that you play, okay? Whether it's a PC game or PS4 game, it doesn't matter. They just want to know the type of games that you play, so they will send you games that are related to your interest, okay? And your gaming devices. So make sure to read this. Please add the device you own to your profile. If you don't add any device, we won't be able to send you any playtest. Well, that's obvious, okay? If you don't put the type of the system or the mobile phone, the type of the mobile phone that you have, they won't be able to send you the games, because the games of Android or Android games won't work on iOS system, and the opposite is true also, okay? And which country do you live in? So make sure to put your country, and not like US or another country. If you live in India or another country, just put it, okay? And what's your gender? Female, male, and other, okay? What's your birthday? You just put your birthday here and click on I want to receive monthly news about playtesting and news, games, and also I agree to terms of services and privacy. And after that, you just click on start testing games, okay? So what you have to do, guys, is to download the application. I'm going to show you how you can do this. So go back. First of all, you just have to download the application. Download it from here if you have an Android phone or an iOS phone. And after that, you go through the sign up process, okay? Once you go through the sign up process, you click on send test right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about right now, okay? After that, you just have to click on start testing games. They will send you the games directly to your email address. Every time you test a game, you will get paid through PayPal. So how do I become a pay tester? As I described in this video, in the beginning of this video, what you have to do is to go through all of these steps. After that, well, let me show you some more information. How much money will I earn? So basically, the reward payment for each playtest can vary depending on the tax required during the playtest and the length of the playtest itself. We will always let you know how much the reward payment, blah blah blah. Okay, so keep in mind the qualification test is unpaid. Generally, a 15-minute playtest and survey will have a reward of $9. Okay, for me, like $1 or $2 for every hour or 2 hours, it's like a time theft. So but this, it's $9 for every 15 minutes, which is actually great. But it doesn't mean that they will send you unlimited number of games. They will send you some limited number of games, like 3 or 4 games a week. Okay, you can make some extra money doing this. But if you want to make more money, maybe you just have to go and watch some of my videos. Okay, let me show you how. So those are my videos, guys. I have a lot of videos to teach you how to make money online. I mean, take a look at those videos. This is pure value. Okay, this is pure value if you want to make money online, if you want to start making some extra money, if you want to use after that money to start a business or something like that. This is the channel for you. This could be a great thing for you if you have zero money. If you want to start making some extra money online, could be the best thing to do. If you want to earn some extra money, is to subscribe to my channel and take a look at those videos. Okay, so let's go back to the video. Okay, so in the application, after you do this, as I said, the $9 is what you can get for every 15 minutes. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to talk out loud and to speak your thoughts. What you're thinking when you play the games. Is it good enough? Is it bad? Is it laggy? What is the problem with the game? Okay, just enjoy the game, and in the meantime, speak your thoughts out loud. Okay, so do you only pay via PayPal? Yes, this is because PayPal has the lowest costs for sending international. So if you don't have a PayPal account, go and get one. Okay, and if your country doesn't support PayPal, I'm sorry, but this video is not for you. Maybe you can go and watch other videos in my channel. Okay, when will I get paid? Well, basically in like 3 or 2 days. Okay, 2 or 3 days. It doesn't take too much. And also, there is no minimum threshold to get your money. Okay, if you have like $2, you can get your $2. If you have like $5, you can get your $5. Okay, whenever you want, you can withdraw your money. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. I wish that you liked the video, and if you liked it, make sure to press the like button, to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. It's important, because if you don't do that, you won't get the notification from all my videos. Okay, so make sure to do this, and thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, so let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.